Welcome back. It's time now to talk commodities. Manisha is now joining in and she's got her eye on base metals. Manisha, what's happening here?
Well, it looks like money flowing into this segment finally, and we're looking at strong gains when you look at the last 1 week or last 1 month as well. The major trigger clearly has been the plenum meeting in China going on, where they will set policy for the next 4 years, and expectation that there could be some stimulus coming in for infrastructure, real estate, etc. So the metal price is really hoping to see something there. I'll start with copper prices, which have seen a 2% of gains in the overnight market, and with that, we are up 2.5% for the week as well. For copper, it has been series of supply disruptions clearly coming in. If you look at the news coming in from Dominican Republic, there are nearly 80 miners trapped due to partial collapse of the mine therein. That is number one. Second is the halted activity in Indonesia's massive Grasberg mine. That is two. Third is disruption also coming in for the Codelco's Tenetine mine underground. And then, of course, there are concerns coming in from various other mines in Chile as well. So wherever that you look, when it comes to major producing countries, there is something or the other happening, and that is supporting copper prices trading well above that $10,000 a ton mark at this point in time. But the major gains in the last couple of sessions clearly have come in for aluminum, up 2% overnight, and that brings us to 8% of gains in last 1 month when it comes to aluminum. Here as well, it is about the supply concerns. Remember, China has capped the output to around 45 million tons. That is exactly what they did last year as well. So there is those curbs in production continuing there. And then Iceland key refineries are also facing electrical issues. That is the reason we've seen gains onto that one. The markets also are looking at Alcoa shutting in their Kwinana refinery in Australia. And when you look at the LME stocks in aluminum, they have declined by nearly 25% in this year. Just about at 484,000 tons is where they stand. I also want to talk about zinc because we've seen good gains into this one as well. So copper, aluminum, and then zinc. Prices have gained up by 2.5% in the last 1 week, and we are trading above $3,000 a ton onto this one as well. For zinc also, while the mining zinc is available enough, it is the refined zinc which is looking at some concerns. There are persistent bottlenecks among smelting operations in Japan, in Kazakhstan, that has been leading the prices on the higher side. The refined zinc production is expected to decline nearly 2% in this year, while the mined zinc could gain up by 6.3%. So exactly as I said, there's no shortage of the core zinc here, but the refined zinc, which is the usable zinc, is not enough available. Also, when you look at the LME stocks, we've seen very sharp decline onto that one as well. 37,000 tons is where we stand right now. Vis-a-vis 230,000 tons is how we started this year on. So clearly, every fundamental factor that you're looking at in the international markets is supportive of metals at this point in time. What the street will also want to watch out for in the coming days is the US and China trade conversation that is slated in South Korea in the next week there. And then it is also about the US consumer inflation data in the US markets that is expected today. So between these two and, of course, the China plenum meeting, the markets are anticipating that we are looking at bullish cues coming in for metals.
Thank you very much for that.